Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will share with you sweet and sour pork ribs, also known as zhenjian ribs. I've shot the same video before, but because of the copyright issue of the background music, mess up the soundtrack in the video, so I re-photographed this dish. This time I used the frozen ribs to make. Thaw it with salt water. Set aside until it thaws. Ingredients are garlic, ginger, shallots, spring onion. Chop them up. Cut it to about 4 cm long and separate the green and white parts. Set aside, spare. The ribs are not thawed yet. Prepare the seasoning first. About 2 tablespoons rock sugar, 8 tablespoons zhenjian vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, pinch pepper. Set aside. After the ribs are thawed, remove, wash and drain. Drain and season. Seasoning now. About 800 grams of pork ribs. Add a tablespoon of sugar, pinch pepper, a tablespoon light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon rice wine, 2 teaspoons cornstarch. Mix well. Add a tablespoon of oil. Mix well. Marinate for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, fry it until fragrant. Heat up the wok. You have to heat the wok before adding the oil so it doesn't stick unless you use a non-stick pan. Once the wok is hot, turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Add ribs. Move the wok so that it heats evenly. After 3 minutes, fry the other side. Ribs release a lot of oil. Pour off excess oil later. Fry for 3 minutes on each side, pouring off excess oil. Turn down the heat. Add ginger, garlic and shallots and until fragrant. Add rock sugar. Turn down the heat. Fry the rock sugar until dissolved. After the rock sugar is dissolved, add 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. Add white spring onion. Add to the prepared sauce. Add appropriate amount of water, enough to cover the surface. After boiling, cover with the lid. Turn down the heat. Cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the heat to the highest and boil the soup dry. Stir constantly to avoid sticking. As shown in the video, you can turn off the fire. Ready to disk. Sprinkle with a few sesame seeds. Today's sweet and sour ribs is done. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.